Like the residential course, the online blended course in contemporary restorative and aesthetic dentistry covers exactly the same topics. So we look in detail at comprehensive examination, comprehensive care and risk-based dentistry. We go through minimally invasive dentistry in terms of whitening, with a large emphasis on what we can do with modern composite materials. We cover more complex treatments and tooth wear, and we cover implants, etc. And then a large proportion of the course is fixed prosthodontics in terms of looking at planning, looking at materials such as zirconia and Emax, and then more traditional materials as well. The course is the equivalent of 8 days online, and then we come and we have you at the training centre for a 5-day block to cover the practical components. The benefit being that with the online component, that students in the past have completed that in anywhere from 2 weeks up to several months to complete that part of the course. What do I hope you'll get out of the course? Well, I hope it will allow you to do more predictable dentistry, more profitable dentistry, and also enhance your enjoyment of dentistry. In addition to that, particularly those of you who are looking to try and transition out of NHS dentistry, it will be absolutely invaluable for you. So watch the testimonial videos to see what students have got out of the course, and then don't forget to add your email address to the website, and then what we'll offer you is some sample videos so you can get a taste of the topics and also the quality of the course.